We're here in Franklin County. Oh, here comes the baler. Coming in to bale. Wow, that's great. We're here at Franklin County at Crooked Road Village, which is on Highway 40, about 5 miles out of Ferrum. We have some property here called Crooked Road Village. I'm standing in Artisan's Trail, private road up here. And off to my left there where that tractor is small lot 6, tract 6. Out in front of us here is tract 7. And coming over on tract 8, nice big tract, flat track, very nice. Power line down on the front, so you got power, perk sites on all of these tracks. And up a little bit further is tract 12, 13. They're also for sale. They're a little bigger. I think they're about 5 acres. Just mowed the hay and fella in there just getting ready to do the hay. This property you see above the road here has been sold for some time, but it's up there and part of Crooked Road Village. Again, Crooked Road Village here October 2nd, 2021.